The ever-evolving marketing landscape. Marketing is tough, it's constantly changing. What worked yesterday might not work today. Aspiring marketers face a steep learning curve. They need to master many tools and strategies. It's overwhelming. Traditional marketing methods are expensive, they often require a large budget. This can be a major barrier for new marketers. Marketers need a better way, a simpler way to reach their audience. They need tools that are both effective and affordable. But before we dive right in, please take a moment and comment and subscribe to my channel. It all helps out. Thanks. A paradigm shift in digital marketing is upon us. OnPassive is the answer to the evolving needs of the industry. It's an innovative platform that leverages the power of artificial intelligence to transform marketing strategies. OnPassive uses cutting-edge AI technology to streamline processes and enhance efficiency. This AI power gives marketers a significant advantage in their campaigns. OnPassive automates a wide range of marketing tasks, from data analysis to customer engagement. This automation frees up valuable time for marketers, allowing them to focus on more strategic activities. They can now dedicate their efforts to brainstorming innovative ideas and developing comprehensive strategies. This shift enables them to build stronger relationships and create high-quality content that resonates with their audience. OnPassive is more than just an automation tool. It's a complete digital marketing ecosystem that provides a comprehensive suite of tools. These tools are designed to meet all the needs of modern marketers, from data analytics to campaign management. With OnPassive, marketers have everything they need to succeed in the fast-paced digital age. OnPassive is truly a game-changer. It levels the playing field, providing equal opportunities for all marketers, regardless of their background or experience. OnPassive empowers aspiring marketers to compete with established players and achieve their goals. It gives them the tools and confidence to win in the competitive digital marketing landscape. Key features that set OnPassive apart. OnPassive offers many features that make it stand out in the crowded market of business automation tools. Smart automation is one key feature. It handles repetitive tasks efficiently, freeing up valuable time for your team to focus on more strategic activities. These tasks include email marketing and social media posting. Automated systems ensure that your marketing efforts are consistent and timely. Targeted traffic generation is another advantage. OnPassive uses advanced algorithms to drive the right kind of traffic to your website. OnPassive finds the right audience by analyzing data and demographics, ensuring your marketing reaches those most likely to convert. It brings potential customers to you, increasing your website's visibility and engagement. This increases your chances of making a sale. OnPassive also offers comprehensive training programs. These programs empower marketers with the knowledge and skills they need to succeed in the digital landscape. They learn how to use the platform effectively, maximizing its potential to drive business growth and achieve their business goals, leading to long-term success and sustainability. Section 4. OnPassive versus traditional marketing. A clear winner emerges. Traditional marketing is outdated and often inefficient. It relies on methods that are no longer effective in today's fast-paced digital world. It's like a horse and buggy, slow and cumbersome, unable to keep up with modern demands. OnPassive, on the other hand, is a sleek, modern car, designed for speed and efficiency. It represents the future of marketing. It's faster, more efficient, and more effective. Traditional methods are not only slow, but also expensive. OnPassive is cost-effective, saving businesses significant amounts of money. It provides a higher return on investment, ensuring that every dollar spent is maximized. This makes it ideal for marketers with limited budgets. Measuring results is crucial in any marketing strategy. OnPassive offers detailed analytics, giving marketers the insights they need. Marketers can track their progress in real time, making adjustments as needed to optimize their campaigns. They can see what's working and what's not, allowing for continuous improvement and better results. Traditional methods lack this level of insight, making them less effective in today's competitive market. Section 5. Real-world success with OnPassive transforming aspirations into achievements. Countless marketers will benefit from OnPassive. Take Sarah, a stay-at-home mom. She wanted to start her own business. OnPassive will make it possible. John, a recent graduate, had a dream. He wanted to become a digital marketer. OnPassive provides the tools and training. He will launch his career successfully. These stories are inspiring. They show how OnPassive can work. It's not just hype, it's real people ready to achieve real results. Section 6. Embrace the future of marketing with OnPassive. OnPassive is the future. It's time to ditch the old ways. Embrace the power of AI and automation. OnPassive makes marketing easier, faster, and more effective. Don't get left behind. Join the OnPassive movement. Start building your dream business today. The future of marketing is here, and it's called OnPassive. For more information about OnPassive and how to find financial freedom, please go to the description below. Thank you, and have a great day.